Sponsor today, the Longève product. So this is a plant-based protein product that is made of pea protein, which most of your plant-based proteins that you see are typically made of soy. So it's a really great alternative. And before I came on here, I just hydrated the crumbles in some water, and now I'm going to heat them up kind of like a bacon bit to add to our salad. So I'm just adding it to my pan here. As you can see, like, I swear people would not know that this isn't like a shredded chicken. It's very, very like meat-like.
Yeah. Well,
the meat substitutes like this one today are just getting so realistic with better for you ingredients that sometimes you're like, oh wait, is this the real thing? I just added some hoisin sauce and soy sauce to the Longève product, and it's so incredible. It cooks up really quickly. So we will be ready to add this to our salad in just a moment here.
And then what's in the salad?
So we're going to move on to the salad now. I'm just going to put this off to the side. So for the salad, we have got...
Your nails look really pretty, by the way.
Oh, thank you. We've got that's already prepped. We've got chopped kale, which has been massaged with a little olive oil just to tenderize it. We've got chopped sweet potato and cranberries and pumpkin seeds, as well as the Longève protein. So it's just a really nice harvest salad. And actually, I've heard from a lot of people that they like meal prepping this salad. So again, maybe a nifty kind of meal prep recipe. And the best part, like my favorite part, is the tahini dressing. So tahini, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, vinegar, and some dried herbs. And you can add, I've added a little bit of water to thin as well. So now we're just gonna assemble the salad. So I've added that Longève protein crumbles. So it acts as like a bacon bit or like a shredded chicken within the quinoa salad and just takes it over the edge. Like, I don't think anybody, no matter what type of diet you eat, would balk at this salad. It's just so delicious. A day before, and then just allow it to cool and then place it in your fridge, which is what I actually did. And the sweet potato as well, like all of the ingredients you can have prepped. You could even have the salad prepped. I would just add the dressing fresh so that it feels like a very fresh salad, but that kind of makes it easy, right? Is we've got all of these ingredients already made. Hopefully I can kind of bring you guys up so we can get a shot of the salad here.
Wow.
Awesome. So I'm just going to drizzle most of that dressing on and then mix it up. And then
while she's mixing this up, if you get a chance, her Instagram, Carleigh's Instagram, it's called PlantYou. And it's the name of her book too, that's coming out on January 18th. So, I mean, her energy and just the things that Carleigh, that you make, and even taking spinach that's almost going bad and you like chop it up and make ice cubes out of it to put in your shake in the morning is just brilliant.
Oh, that's so kind. Thank you. I've gotten really into like repurposing food scraps and ingredients that we would normally throw out, because I know like produce is so expensive.